Munyarai Waire from Zimbabwe.
Okay, the question I'm going to be asking you is, there's talk of lots of new drugs, and are there going to be any assistance to your people?
Yeah, they've talked about new drugs, but I don't know whether there will be any help to our people because we don't have access to those drugs.
Take care, Kevin.
I wish we could have access to those drugs. It could help a lot of people in Africa.
Are you having a good time while you're here?
Yeah, I am. Really good time. Vancouver is a beautiful city. I really enjoyed.
I'll just get this. I'll get your card here so I can see. Okay, if you could give me your name and where you're from.
I'm William Odur from Kenya.
William, there's lots of talk of with the pharmaceutical companies coming up with these wonder drugs. Do you think it's going to make any difference? Is there any hope, or is it just a lot of hype?
Yeah, sure. As far as I'm concerned, I've had a lot of talks from pharmaceutical companies, mainly coming with the protest inhibitors to people living with HIV and AIDS. What I don't know really is that these drugs have been exclusively used in the developed world, and in Africa we've not heard of them, and we don't know, even we've not seen such drugs with even our eyes, so we really don't know what's going to happen to us. And I would suggest that if we can have access to them, then it will be fine also to test within our communities. It's going to be all right.
What's your personal experience with AIDS in Kenya? How did you get involved with this particular disease?
Yeah, I started to get involved in the HIV and AIDS program when I was still a student, and that was back in 1993. So I've been involved in community activism for the last 3.5 years, and involving with people living with HIV groups. So I've got around 3.5 years experience in HIV and AIDS work in my country.
Are you having a good time in Vancouver?
It's really nice, and we are having good time here. The hosting city is great, and also the conference is well organized. It's giving us really a refresher what we were aiming at, really.
Hi from Canada.